Sundays for Funday, right? So I decided what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I got. I decided this year, so last year I had Color Cast Designs prescription. You can tell I work in the medical field. Subscription, and I got their like acrylic and wood veneer like kit every month. And I decided I didn't use it. And this year is all about stash busting. But you know, it's so nice to get Happy Mail. And I love getting kits. I just didn't want to sign up for something monthly because one, I would want it every month and I'd probably get it in a month and then every month and then I wouldn't get my stash used up. But since I've more recently fallen in love with some Ellie Edwards stuff, and trying to do the more documenting style, I decided to sign up for her quarterly kit. So she just does a quarterly full-size kit, and I was super excited about that. So mine arrived this weekend, so I wanted to open it with you. I haven't opened it yet. I'm really excited. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's just a quarterly, and I thought that was much better than something that comes monthly or even bi-monthly. This way, I'm only getting 4 of them this year, and it'll just add a little bit to my stash. And it's all like Ellie Edwards exclusive stuff too. I probably will. I do have like a pre-order from A Cherry on Top for the new Cocoa Vanilla Studio. I did do that, and one of the Simple Stories collections. But I really wanted to get this. So let's open it, right? Let's open it. It just arrived. I haven't taken the sticker off. We just did. I think it said rainbow. I think rainbow was the theme. Fun. Okay. Oh, so many cool things. So, what should we look at first? Okay. I watched her talk about this a little bit. So they're like plastic, I remember her saying. And it's these rainbows that say the most awesome thing. And so you can put those in on your page. These little wood veneer rainbows that are white and wood. So yeah, if you've probably watched her unboxing, this is going to be dumb for you because you watched her look through it and she explained everything more. But ooh, yeah, seeing it all in person. I didn't watch the whole thing. I watched a big chunk of it. Yeah, lots of pretty paper. And then these vellum. Oh, they are colored circles. Ooh, and it's so silky currently. And then, yep, this polka dot, another colored circle. And I like that there's little gold specks. There's purple, blue, and then another rainbow. And today, have fun with that. And then these are really cool. These are like envelopes, I think she said. Yeah, and so she has these little, take this little tab out. And then you can either journal, or she even said too, like you could stick a photo in there, which would be really cool for extra photos. That'd be really cool for this one, especially the best. But a good way to hide journaling. So those are cool. I'm not going to put those back in the plastic. And then these are, they're fabric words. Oh, cool. Okay. And then these are the papers that fit her books perfectly, but I don't have them. And they're all single-sided. So there's rainbow print with like the watercolor look, the rainbow stripe, which is always fun. This one, that's fun. Just a nice doodle. This reminds me of some of the Dottie Boat Flair I have. This gorgeous Bring On the Story, Capturing Life. And I could stick these totally in, I think these would fit really well actually in the Heidi Swap chapters books. Let's see. Oh, they're a little small for that, I guess, but yeah. If I matted it on something, that would work, but I just love, yeah. And then the raindrops, and then this cool polka dot one that's like rainbow colored in different dot sizes. And then this one that she was talking about, which was really cool, like to do journaling on them and maybe put a picture on some of them. She has really good ideas all the time on ways to document with her stuff. All right, I'm not gonna try and fiddle that with that. And then these awesome 12 by 12 papers. This awesome one. Another, like, yeah, which could be really fun. Lots of fun things with that. I love this. This reminds me of this couch at an aunt and uncle's house when I was a kid. Big rainbow. Who doesn't love a rainbow? But I love that it's more in just the warm side. It's just the oranges and reds and yellows. When beauty is seen through the windows of the soul, rainbows appear and everything is magical. It feels simply divine. I like that. This is pretty cool. Love it. Awesome. So, yeah, just some fun, bright, colorful things to play with, to add. I feel like it was more of like to add to what I already have type thing is what my thought was. So to add them in to a kit or create a kit around it and add things from my stash into it. I don't know. Haven't quite decided. So I will be playing with this soon. I really want to. I don't think I'll be playing with it for March because I kind of have an idea already what I want to do for March. So probably not March, but maybe for April. April showers bring May flowers. April's rainbows, lots of rainbows. So yeah, there you have it. I just wanted to show you guys. So yeah, I can't wait to play with it. And thank you so much for watching.